Okay, now the second initial, t, t. Yeah, it's t with an in the end. So t together, t, 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 t. Second toe, t, 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 t. Third toe, t, 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 The third initials for us today, n, n, together with the final n, 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 Okay, now the last initials for today, l, 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 l. Okay, now you get the four initials for us today. Again, they are d, t, n, l. So we got the new initials d, t, n, l. And now for our last final for today, which is e, e, e with tones. E, 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 e. Now, let's put E with the initials we just learned. First one, D, E, D, E, D, D, E, D, D, E, D, E, D, D, E, D, E, D, D, E, D, E, D, D, E. 的意地的意地 Okay, second initial 特一七特一七一特一起特一起特一特一起特一起特一特一气特一气呢呢一呢呢一呢呢一你呢一你呢一呢一你呢一你呢一呢一你呢一你了一了一哩了一哩了一哩了一哩了一了一哩了一哩了一了一哩了一哩 Okay, those are the initials and the finals for us today. Let's have a look at it again. We have learned initials 的、特、呢、了 4 initials, and we have learned 3 finals o, e. Okay, so that's all about the pinyin for today. But of course, we mentioned we still have to learn some new phrases, new words in Chinese. So the phrase we are going to learn is actually from this combination here. How about try to spell it by yourself first? Yeah, how about try? Yeah, it's ne, I, ni. This word means you. When we are learning a language, we normally learn how to say hello, how are you first, right? So today I'm going to teach you how to say how are you in Mandarin Chinese. So it comes with 你好你好 Well, how might be a little bit difficult for you right now because we haven't mentioned it yet. But I don't know whether you have known this or not. I have seen some foreigners learning Chinese and they write down the English sound for the pronunciation of the Mandarin, right? They say 你好. I think it's close enough. But of course, you need to pay attention to the tone, right? Both of these words come with the third tone. So, 你好, 你好, it means hello. And if you want to ask people the question, how are you, right? So it's easy. We just put a ma after 你好. It's 你好吗? Let's take a look of this. 你好吗? Ma, there is no tone, right? So this is what we have mentioned in the first lesson. It's a neutral tone. 你好吗? 你好吗? Yeah, the neutral tone is light, fast. It sounds toneless. Okay, again. 你好. 你好吗? 你好. 你好吗? Okay, so that's how you say hello to people in Mandarin Chinese. So let's have a look again. Today we have learned a lot. We have learned 4 initials, 3 finals. We practiced the tones. And we learned how to say hello in Mandarin Chinese. 你好,你好吗? I think that would be all for today. Let's continue for next time.